It's Worx season. Get the Worx Turbine 600 blower with revolutionary power. Unlike ordinary blowers, Turbine 600 uses patented jet engine technology to generate extreme blowing force. The Worx Turbine 600 is up to twice as fast as leading brand gas blowers and is half the price. Big jet turbine power in a compact, lightweight blower. Visit WorxTurbine.com to see why it's the fastest way to clear your yard. It's always Worx season. Get yours today.
Hey everyone, I'm doing a review of the Worx Turbine 600. This is a power cord leaf blower, debris blower. This thing is super powerful. I love that it plugs in because that's what gives it all its power. This nozzle does come off. You just grab this right here and this does squeeze right off. It exposes the fan that's inside of here. See that turbine? And man, this thing is super powerful. I love it. Right here is your trigger. You turn it on, it locks on, and it has a couple different speeds. So it is nice and variable, so you don't have to go full blast if you're not doing anything heavy duty. But let's give it a little try here. And you see how that can definitely move some debris. So very powerful, very easy to use, comes apart for easy storage, great price. I love this thing on Amazon. This is